Hinge BIo is developing the next generation of protein and antibody therapeutics that can bind to multiple things in the body at the same time, and also have flexibility and extendability to do that in optimal way. And so we're developing therapeutics. Our technology also applies to diagnostics and other applications, but our lead programs are in oncology, and then also we are developing a coronavirus therapeutic and prophylactic, which we're quite excited about. We've assembled a fantastic team, a wonderful board of directors, and have demonstrated that our technology is superior to what can currently be done with conventional approaches. And we are demonstrating the benefits of this technology in the oncology area and with coronavirus. I'll have more to say in the coming weeks and months. We are aiming to put a product into the clinic before the end of the year, which would be quite a feat for any company, much less a 9-person company that just raised our Series A in March.